The Clearsource Ultra Filter Three-Pack is specifically designed as a replacement for the Clearsource Ultra Three Canister system, ensuring a perfect fit and optimal performance. One of the standout features is the rust-inhibiting filter cartridge, which utilizes a multi-layer construction to effectively prevent rust and sediment from contaminating your water supply. The filter system incorporates a 0.5 micron carbon block filter cartridge, which uses high-density activated coconut shell carbon to deliver exceptionally clean and pure water. This product excels in removing harmful contaminants, as the VirusGuard filter efficiently eliminates bacteria, cysts, viruses, heavy metals, petrochemicals, and trace pharmaceuticals from your water. With its advanced filtration capabilities, the Clearsource Ultra Filter Three-Pack provides peace of mind for those looking to maintain a clean and safe water supply in their RVs or homes. Manufactured by Clearsource, this filter pack is an original equipment replacement, reflecting the brand's commitment to quality and reliability in water filtration solutions.